So guys, another day, another dollar. But unfortunately today we did not win anything, and I would love to say emotions did not play a part in that, but yeah, if you've noticed, this week has not been great for me at all. Not just trading wise, but just my overall state of mind. Not been feeling well, and yeah, I was hoping that would not affect my trades. I'm not sure, maybe it did, but I tried. Any case, we have NFP Thursday. It's 4th of July, which is a holiday for tomorrow, so yeah, NFP falls on today. And we had positive news, just full on bullish, straight up. You could see price made a retracement here as New York's started, but as market opened, we just zoomed. We had a little bit of a retracement here on Nasdaq with this level here. You can see we bounced off nicely, but we were waiting for 4 o'clock news. There was news at 4, and with this candle right here, you can see so yeah, we kind of missed buy opportunities. We're hoping for a reversal for sells, but I can see why we ended up not going for sells today. It was full on bullish news. Jobs report, unemployment claims was full on bullish. I was watching the Russell and seeing if I could time any sort of retracements with the movement of the Russell. As you can see, if we look on the Russell on this side, as price is moving down to retrace, there were opportunities for buys on other markets as well. So that was the only thing that I could use as an indicator for today. Otherwise, it was difficult trying to get an entry in. I thought this was sufficient time after the 4 o'clock news for, you know, price to come in, continue the bullish move. But of course, just as I enter, price starts to just consolidate from there on Nasdaq. But on S&P and US 30, that was the perfect spot for buys. It just didn't work out for me on Nasdaq, which is okay. I did notice some weird news for tech companies today, so perhaps I made the wrong choice here. Either way, it's okay if you lost money this week. It was a very strange week overall, so don't blame yourself. I will try not to blame myself either. But I do kind of wish I stayed out of this week overall, just because of the way I was feeling. But next time, if I do feel like I'm not fully 100% in it, then I might just paper trade or stay out rather. But yeah, our first unprofitable week in a long running streak. But it's okay. I mean, again, conditions were just not was just not there, so it's okay. Next week we'll be looking at a very nice clear week in terms of news. We have unemployment claims on the Thursday, FOMC minutes on the Wednesday. So I'm probably going to be active every day until then. We'll see what about Wednesday, but as far as I know, I'll be live on Tuesday again. and then yeah, we'll get back to it. Let me just bring up the results for today. We didn't really lose much. We were trying to get out of the trade as soon as we got in the trade, because price was looking very unfavorable after we entered. We wanted the volatility immediately when we entered, but as you can see, if I zoom in down the 1 minute, price pushed over here with every other market, but on Nasdaq we kind of consolidated, and then here we're a bit choppy again. But yeah, I had my stop loss at this low, thinking price is respecting speedy arrays over here, these speedy arrays, and so taking this buy seemed like a good idea until I saw these candles were kind of chopping like this, and so I was trailing my stop loss, trailing it under each candle, and I managed to be above, but I just wasn't in time to close. Oh, I guess I was probably just hoping for this trade to work out, but yeah, it didn't, and so we closed around about wherever it was that we closed, and so we only lost a little bit, barely double digits. Let's bring that up now. Yeah, we lost about $6.98. Wish it was break even, but oh well, it's okay. Either way, I'm not happy about the trade, not happy about this whole week, but again, it's not a great week in any case, so yeah, must accept the loss. We can try again next week with better conditions, and yeah, let's get back to it. Let's get our head in the game, and hopefully we're feeling fresh next week. So yeah, best of luck, enjoy the rest of the week. For all the Americans, happy 4th of July for tomorrow. And yeah, cheers guys.